EA has unveiled some exciting new details for the next Battlefield game, focusing on significant improvements in gunplay, movement, and server performance. A brand new weapon recoil system will be introduced, with unique recoil patterns for each weapon, making gunfights feel more authentic and challenging. The movement system is also being revamped with enhanced animations, and the reintroduction of several key mechanics, including crouch sprint, combat dive, and landing roll, giving players more control and tactical options during combat. In addition, the developers are prioritizing server stability with the introduction of 60Hz optimized servers to ensure a smoother multiplayer experience, addressing the issues that plagued previous Battlefield titles like Battlefield 2042. These server improvements will help avoid the lag and crashes that have negatively impacted gameplay in the past. The overall goal of these updates is to create a more immersive, realistic combat experience, blending refined gunplay and movement mechanics with a focus on multiplayer performance. With these changes, Battlefield looks to deliver a more engaging and stable experience for both newcomers and long-time fans.